Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around a Sierra 38FKOK. This will be the front kitchen model, fifth wheel from Sierra. It's kind of noisy out here, so I'll talk once I get back inside. There we go. So the 38FKOK is the front kitchen layout. They also have a front living layout. So this is a reverse. With the front kitchen, you get a ton of counter space. It's got the bar stool, dinette spot here where you can just look out and see your TV and your fireplace in your living room. But yeah, if you're into cooking, this one's got lots of prep space, lots of storage. It's got the oversized LG refrigerator. Freezer, ice maker down below. LG microwave. It's got the solid surface countertops, spray faucet, 3-burner stove, oven. Down in the living room, there's 2 sets of these trifold sofas. This one and this one over here will make out the beds. You get the recliners right across from your TV, your fireplace area. Ceiling fan up top. Also with this model, the bathroom is at the rear of the coach, so you have tall ceilings for taking a shower. Toilet is a porcelain toilet. You can do washer and dryer stackables in this closet here. Those hookups. Sink, mirror, shower with the bench. Bedroom in the rear is a king size bed, 2 wardrobes, lots of storage all through here. And two, with the Sierras, you're going to have all your soft close hinges, TV location, a little bit of storage there. This unit does have 2 AC units, 1 thermostat's in here, another thermostat's in the hallway with the fan controls. Also down below, built-in shop vac. Yeah, if you want more information on this trailer, you can call us at 903-326-4080. Also, there's more photos and pricing on our website at rendelrv.com.